Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we will see Duolingo promo codes top 3 discounts. So here are some of websites where we can search and where we can see top 3 discounts for Duolingo promo codes. So let's get right into Chrome, and here we will search for worththepenny.com. This simply you have to hit on the first link, and this is the website where we can find promo codes for Duolingo. So as you can see guys, here you can find so many codes, and you can go with. And the second one is simply code. You can find codes from here as well. Just simply you have to go on search bar, and here you have to write Duolingo. And the third one is tlsportr.com. Same as you have to go on search bar, and here you have to write Duolingo. And here you can see all the deals for Duolingo with 60% off. So guys, with these website you can find Duolingo promo codes. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.